Oops, they have a little typo. July 13th, not the 3rd. Hey guys, so I'm just stopping by. I know it's been a while, just got married, went planning for a honeymoon, had a reception, whole bunch of things have happened. But I wanted to take a moment because we just got our VidCon stuff and it sounds more than just tickets. So I want to see what's going on in this VidCon package. I am so unbelievably excited. We are going to go to VidCon, part of our honeymoon, romantic, I know. So we are actually gonna drive, because it's cheaper than flying, and we're gonna drive to Reno for a few days beforehand. Enjoy Reno, Ty's never been to Reno. Go kayaking on Lake Tahoe, and then drive down to Anaheim, hit Disneyland the day before, on the 10th instead of the 14th. And then so we can make it home in time when we have to drive 2 more days back home. So let's see what's in this package. Get ready, your wristband is now your ticket to enter VidCon even faster. Included in this package, oh, let's not read that. Let's just open it. Let's not rip it. Oh, wait, you have to open this tab. Okay. Okay, here's what you need to know about your wristbands. Okay, so we have, we have 2 wristbands. And they have the VidCon little logo guy on there, super cool. And then an all that lanyard / Nickelodeon. That's so fun. With our creator badges. Get some hollow on there. I'm so freaking excited. All right, and then our names, and that's it. Okay, so I can't lose these is what it's telling me. Okay, I know it was anticlimactic and it was really little, but I've never been to VidCon before. We actually were afraid we wouldn't be able to go down to VidCon. And luckily, with all the gifts that we got for our wedding and our amazing family members down there who have a separate little area for us to stay at, we'll be able to take this trip and go to VidCon in Disneyland and Reno. And I'm so excited to have the creator badge. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your love and support. And of course we'll vlog when we're at VidCon. We would look weird if we weren't. All right, bye. Bye guys.